có hai tiệc con trẻ lái ra chi lỡ.
I found this scrunchie from Gaji, and Gaji is my cousin that she left to California. And she left this scrunchie. This is hers because I know she likes pink and sparkly stuff. She left it at our house at a sleepover, so I still remember her as with this. So that's how I remember.
Có một bữa nó cái gì? You mean last time you sleep over her house?
No, she slept over at our house. And
You mean the last day that she slept at our house and she went to California?
yeah.
Wow, and she forgot that one?
Yeah.
And you just stole it?
No, I still keep it because she just forgot to leave it. So
Why you don't send back to her in California?
I don't know.
You want to send to her or you want to keep it?
Ben, put
I
everything
don't
back in
know
there.
what to do.
You know that?
You want to keep?
Put in there.
Because you miss her?
Yeah. Keep.
Okay. Say bye-bye. Say hi to Kaji now.
Hi, Kashi.
Say something to Kaji.
I hope you're doing good in California.
Say louder and look at the
I hope
camera.
you're doing good at California, Kashi. I miss you very much.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Check your homework.